Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about how to off auto rotate screen setting in Vivo phone. Guys, you can see when I rotate my phone, so it's rotated. You can see, guys. So you have problem then with this setting. So you can off this setting in Vivo phone, and guys, I will show you how to off it. So first of all, guys, you will have to on your phone setting. Phone setting, guys, click here, and guys scroll it, and guys come on display and brightness. Guys scroll now you can see auto rotate screen, so you can off from here. Then guys when you will off it, so you can see your phone will not rotate while watching movies. As you can see, guys, it will not rotate. So I think friends you have understood how to off auto rotate screen in Vivo phone. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope guys you will like my video. So bye bye, guys.